Labngal, tambo di talog laan. Sputan, gamlek klawin, labangal.
Our beloved Labangalians, magsaulog kita sa Kagatbu Festival. Atong enjoy ang atuang kasaysayan, kultura ug tradisyon. We prepare different activities for all. I am inviting everyone to celebrate, have fun, and experience Labangal.
Celebration of this festival. Manny Pacquiao, the greatest of all time. He was raised here before he reached his prime. How fortunate we are, we have a good leader. The Pacquiao's vision to make your life better. Because of the service, that's why we are the best. They put us on top of excellence among the rest.
Labangal kampiyon tayo, Kagatbu'y pasigarbo. Labangal kampiyon tayo, Kagatbu'y pasigarbo. Kagatbu, Festival. Tayo nang makisaya sa selebrasyon ng Barangay Labangal.
Maglasig-lasig kita nyo, Kagatbu Festival.
Magkalilinita no sa Kagatbu Festival!
Kampiyon tayo, ipasigarbo sa Kagatbu.